Well, here we go in the bathroom. The bathroom is going to be spectacular. This is what it looks like. This is the full bathroom. It's not pretty big. It's not really large, but it's going to be spectacular. We closed the door here. There was a little tiny closet to create this big, massive laundry linen closet, which is really cool. Not sure if that's how it was before, but this is gonna look really good. So I took out the door. Door is not really big, but it is what it is. But here is the walls are going up, so it's pretty good. I got this one up. The smelly house is coming along. So here we go. I'll keep you posted. I'll keep you posted for the smelly house. Walls are going up in the bathroom. All right. Keep you posted.